question 7. So part A is when t is 0, so substituting 2 being 0, we get 1 lot of I and minus 3 lots of j. So v is minus I minus 3j, so just picture that vector, that's 1 to the right and 3 down. So using Pythagoras, the length of that, the speed of the hypotenuse is 3.16 meters per second. Part B rather, when t is 2, substitute 2 in, and that gives us the vector v equals minus 3i plus 3j, which I've sketched here. So just first of all focusing on the acute angle, opposite and adjacent, we've got tan being, so that's 45 degrees, which obviously it was going to be as we've got a 90-degree angle and two sides the same. So what's the bearing? The bearing's measured from north, so all the way around here, that's 270 plus the 45, 315. Now for part C, to make v parallel to j, what must t be? Well, if it's parallel to j, it's just going to be a multiple of j, so we don't want any I. So this bracket has got to be 0, so we've got no lots of I. So solving this bracket being 0, t is a half. Now for part 2, for it to be parallel to this, we need both I and j to be negative, but also j to be 3 times as big as I. So for j to be 3 times as big, we've got to times I by 3 in order for them to be equal. So basically minus and a minus because they're both minus, and 3 lots of I to equalize them because we need j being 3 times as big. So that's why we've got minus 3 lots of the first bracket, minus 1 lot of the second bracket. Multiplying out and solving, we get t being 2/3.